Hey guys and girls, this is episode 4 of the PowerBI basics. So what I'm going to be looking at today is some very basic graphs, visualizations. So we've already covered a kind of a basic matrix. I'm going to rename this page report to be matrix, and then I'm going to make a new page on the report for the fields here, and I'm going to rename it to be visuals. And what you can do as a trick, another little trick as well, is you can copy your filters. So if I click on my filters and then I click Control and Control, and then just like Control C, like copy, and then you go to your next page and then paste, as in Control V. When you do that, it'll copy all your filters, and it'll ask you, do you want to sync your filters between them? So we're going to sync it up. So basically, it means when you're browsing around, if I choose something on this visuals page, that it will sync back to this page. So, and if I change it here, say to Carlo, and then go back to the visuals page, those two will have been in sync as such. So I'm going to make some space here, and I'm going to just put in a few visuals in really quickly. So the typical visuals you'll see will be a pie chart. We'll put one in. We'll put one in here. A small pie chart. And what we want on the pie chart, we will take the quarter data here on the details, and we will put on the legend, and we will put the price, normal price data on the values, and effectively there you get quarter one for those years. It'll be telling you which quarter is selling the most property for Carlo, and we can change that for all. And effectively you'll see that there. So and then the next visual we want to do, just as an example, would be a line chart, and we'll do a line chart of what we put in the line chart. We will put the price, we'll put the average price. So say we put in the values price, and in the legend we'll put the county. So we have Clare, and say go in Dublin, and then you have to make sure that you put some sort of time feature or something like that in the axis. So we're going to put the year in the axis. So effectively then what we're seeing is the raise in price, and it'll automatically do like a little sort of tooltip for you automatically to do it like that. But what we can do here in these tooltips, we can put more information in. So when the user goes over when the user puts the mouse over over your visual, they'll see you can control the information that's in that tooltip. So let's say I want to pull the price into tooltip, and I want to do count, same like we did in the last video. So we'll just say count, and then pull price in again, and then say average, and then what we end up with then, let me just finish the formatting here. So what we end up with then, when we go back into the tooltip with more information, so it's going to tell us that in Clare there was 75 million of property between 639 properties in the average price, and then same for Dublin, same for so this starts to be a little bit more interactive. And then the final one we're going to do is line chart, line graph. So let's put, which one will we put in? We'll just leave that one in. And same again, axis quarter, county legend, and value price in the values. So that's basically telling you really quickly, and then you see that's Q4 Dublin for we can do a quarter, we can do year as well. So I just do the year. So that's 2014, and you'll notice if you put a couple in the axis that you can actually drop down between them to drill down. So you can drill down to the quarters, or you can drill back up to the years. So it's kind of a nice interaction there, and all of the different charts will interact with every click that you make, will interact with all the charts. So if we can change the time field here, we'll end up with more values in all of the different charts. We just allow it to come in here. So you can do one chart, or you can build a little dashboard style. So that's just a nice little quick intro to visuals. So that's it for now. Enjoy.